Welcome to Module 8 of the Outlier Content System, Why Being Polarizing is Safer. We're diving into the paradox that keeps 99% of creators invisible. It's time to kill the disease to please and embrace strategic polarization. Most creators stand in the middle of the road, trying to wave at everyone. They post generic, helpful content, hoping to be liked by the whole crowd. But trying to be liked by everyone is the fastest way to be ignored by everyone. The path that feels safe, the universally acceptable path, is actually the fastest path to obscurity. Because when you remove friction, you remove meaning. Your content becomes soft, diluted, and utterly forgettable. When you're universally helpful, you compete with every coach, guru, and even AI. It's a race to the bottom where attention is cheap and intent is zero. The 1% play a different game: strategic polarization. Polarization isn't about being controversial or a jerk. It's about being clear. It's about having a lens. It's choosing who you're for, and more importantly, who you're not. This clarity is authoritative. It eliminates confusion. This is where the magic happens. Polarization activates deep-seated human psychology. Because the moment you define an enemy, you create a tribe. Humans are hardwired to belong, and your polarizing stance becomes their shared banner. This tribe doesn't just watch. They believe what you believe. They will defend you, and they will stay with you through algorithm winters. That is true security. The ultimate outcome of strategic polarization isn't just engagement, it's high-ticket conversions. Tribes don't just watch, they stay, they defend, they buy. They feel like they already know you and trust your specific, unique solution. Your focused opinion creates a coherent signal throughout your week, establishing you as the unmistakable authority they've been searching for. Polarization is the strategic shield that repels tire kickers and magnets your ideal high-value client. If you want followers, stay safe. If you want clients and authority, subscribe now.